Financial Services. Today I'm going to discuss about a very important topic for many of the entrepreneurs or founders who want to start a business today or start a startup today but haven't been able to do it for many reasons, because I've come across many people who are looking to start a startup, but for some reason they are hesitant in taking that leap of faith. Many people have approached me that Devansh, I'm probably fed up of my employment. I am bored of my job. I'm passionate about something which I want to start a business of. I've gone through a problem which I feel many people are going through, and hence I want to solve that problem. I want to start that business, but for some reason they're not being able to take that leap of faith. So today, very quickly, I'm going to give you four quick reasons why today to start a startup in India is very easy and a simple process, and it does not take much time, efforts and money to actually start a startup in India. This is for everyone who is looking to start a startup but haven't had that chance or that leap of faith to actually proceed and go ahead. Reason why you should start a startup business today in India specifically is because of its simple process of registration. Now guys, Government of India has come up with a beautiful website and an application called startupindia.gov.in. It would be mentioned down also, you all can take it up from there, wherein it's a very simple process to just register your firm, submit a few documents online itself, and you will get intimated within a few months, few weeks or few days, depending on your documentation, etc. With any kind of errors, they'll come back with you the feedback. But it's a very simple process, and it does not take a lot of time, it does not take a lot of efforts, and does not take any kind of money to register a startup with Government of India. So that's the first reason. Don't think too much. It's a very simple process, very less efforts, time and money involved. So go and register it. The second reason why you should start a startup today in India itself is reduction in cost. Now mind you guys, Government of India has on its website, that is startupindia.gov.in, mentioned many kind of facilitators who are experts in filing patents or trademarks or IP related stuff for any kind of startups or companies, and that facilitator fees would be borne by the government. Now that is a very important and a big cost which would be borne by the government, and it reduces the 80% of the total cost of filing a patent or of making a patent, and the startup only has to bear the statutory fees of doing that particular activity. Over and above that, as we all know, the cost of doing business in India has reduced quite a lot, because today you don't need a expensive office, you don't need top management level people in your company to start up with. You can have interns, you can start off with a co-working space or from work from home, something like that. So in those aspects, a lot of fixed costs have reduced, which can help you to focus on just growing your business and scaling up your business and testing your product in the market. The third and a very important reason which would help startups and give them a boost to actually start something business in India is a tax exemption holiday for 3 years. That is a very good initiative taken by Government of India, that out of the 10 years of the first 10 years of its operations, any 3 years can be taken as tax exemption by the startup itself. So any 3 years when it is making some very good profits, it can be the third, fourth, fifth year, it can be the sixth, seventh, eighth year of its operation. From the first 10 years of its operation, it can choose 3 years where it can have to pay zero tax on its total profits. So that's a big advantage. It helps a lot of savings in cash, it helps in a lot of savings of the money and the profit that the company has earned, and that profit can be used to actually grow the business even further. So very good advantage. Anyone who's looking to start, please take advantage of this particular benefit of tax reduction or tax exemption in fact. The fourth and a very again important reason why 2B founders should look to start up their business today itself is no time consuming compliances. Now this is again a brilliant feature that startupindia.gov.in has and Government of India has put it, is that the startups can self certify the compliances which are there from the startup mobile app itself or the website itself. There are very few laws that have made it compulsory for startups to actually comply to those laws. There are some three environmental laws or 9 regulatory basic laws which are there, which just needs to be complied and self-certified by the startups themselves. So a lot of cost gets saved and a lot of time gets saved, which is again very important in today's time if you want to start some business and if you want to grow it. So this is the fourth one, very less time consuming compliances. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you really like the content that we've tried to put out here, that why today is the best time to start a startup in India, please do subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell below, click on the like button if you really liked it and enjoyed it, and we would make sure we come up with very good content on startups, on investing and on entrepreneurship. Also would love to know your comments, that what other reasons you feel which are good reasons why one should start an business or a startup in India today itself and not think about a lot of other things. We would love to hear your comments, love to see your comments. So comment below. Thanks a lot guys.